Right, in a minute I'm going to show you how you can get done for you automated follow-up series and how you can generate free leads to throw into your follow-up series. Now before we get into that, click the like and subscribe button and then we'll dive right into it. Now the product is called Buyer Breakout Traffic or Breakout Buyer Traffic. And this is by Fergal Downs and Aidan Corkery. And this is the sales page. How Fergal got 1,649 free leads, stuffed his pocket with $872 in 7 days. Now, as you might have guessed, this is all about how to generate leads with bots. And basically, you add your people to subscribe to your messenger bot, and it automatically follows up. Now the advantage of this is obviously you get far higher open rates. Now this is the sales page. This is one of his accounts, 1,649 subscribers, so not a massive amount of subscribers, but because of the open rates you get better results than you would with email marketing. Okay, $258 in 24 hours there, $172 in just 7 days with his bot. This is just as simple as sending an email message, okay, except your open rates are far greater. Talking about 80% open rate, whereas with email marketing, if you've got a good list, you're about 10-15%. Usually it's around about 6-7%. $1,850 in 30 days, okay, just using the bot. So if we go into the actual training, here's an overview. Okay, so you create free Facebook Messenger bot. This is very easy to do and they use ManyChat. Install their done for you ManyChat funnel, okay, and then you send traffic, obviously send traffic to your funnel. They also have this is a free traffic section, then you've got the paid traffic, and you just basically follow up, okay, and you just keep doing that. It's quite simple, nothing complicated, but they provide you with the actual done for you funnel, so you don't, this is on the front end, so it's not normally with products you'd have to buy it as an upsell, wouldn't you, but not in this case. So the training, first create a Facebook page. This is basically, I mean, so you can link your ManyChat bot to you need to link it to a Facebook page. You don't have to put loads of content on. Man hasn't got any content on. I just linked it up to my Facebook page. You just created a page which is easy and then linked it up. Then it's how to set up the bot. Getting approved by Facebook, that's easy. They show exactly what to do and what to say, okay. Then they've got some templates, done for you templates. This is the done for you funnel and the follow-up sequence. Then they go into how to send paid traffic. They even tell you that one of the vendors there are their go-to guys for, and they usually get sales from. Free how to generate free traffic, and then we've got some case studies. Okay, this is very good training. It does work. It's very effective. Your open rates with bots is far greater than it is with email marketing. I'm not saying don't build your email list. You do need to build your email list. So you should be building an email list, but bot marketing, it's all the rage at the moment. It's very cheap to do. I mean, ManyChat is free anywhere, so you can. I have a paid version, so there's no ManyChat advertising on any messages. But then it's only about $10, so it's very cheap to do. It's very effective, and Fergal and Aidan have done a very good package here, because it's basically just plug and play, and you just follow their steps and drive traffic. So if building your bot is something you should want to be doing, yeah, highly recommend it. It's only how much is it? $10, I think it is. Yep, it's only $9.55. So it's totally worth every penny just for the done for you funnel. Okay. 'Cause you're a believer.